A stable career, clear goals, confidence. We all thought we would have that in our 20s. Right now, millions of people are walking around in their 20s feeling completely lost. They thought by this age their life would make complete sense. A stable career, clear goals, confidence. But instead they get confused. They feel like they're just standing still, not doing anything, while the whole earth is moving forward. The thing is, it's not you, it's everybody. The feeling isn't random. There are psychological reasons you feel this way. First up, the lie we all were told. Growing up, every one of us was told a single big lie. Study hard, graduate, get a good job, and everything would be in their perfect place. But when you enter your 20s, it's completely different. You suddenly realize that you're not going anywhere. No one knows what they're doing. Friendships keep on switching. And you find out the people who are successful actually secretly hate their lives. And people who look way behind are comparatively closer to success than anyone else. Now let's talk about the real truth. Your 20s are not supposed to be clear. They are supposed to be confusing. Because for the first time in your life, you're actually responsible of where your life will go. That level of freedom is terrifying. Let's talk about another reason. The comparison trap. Yeah, there's a trap in this one too. Every video I make, I'm pretty sure there's a trap in everyone. One of the major reasons people feel lost is because they're constantly comparing their lives with one another. Think about this. For most of human history, humans have at least compared their lives to 20 to 30 people around them, their friends, their family, their neighbors. But today, your brain is comparing itself to hundreds and millions of people online. It's all thanks to the internet. As soon as we open social media, we see someone starting a business, someone buying expensive clothes, someone buying a car, someone going on a vacation. So automatically your brain starts thinking that everyone else is winning around me, but not me. What your brain doesn't understand is you're watching a highlight reel. You're not watching the anxiety, you don't see the failures, and you don't see the debt. Comparison creates an illusion that everything is wrong with you and nothing is wrong with others. In the past, lives were simple. You followed the family job or you set up on a career path. But today, there are thousands of people doing million different things. Someone's a content creator, me. Someone is an entrepreneur, someone is an educator, someone is a business tycoon, or someone's just a musician. Now what happens is your brain starts seeing too many options. It gets confused. And now, as I said in my previous video, you start overthinking. What if I choose the wrong career path? What if I waste my years? So instead of choosing something, you stay stuck. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is afraid to make the wrong move. Okay, now I'm gonna start solving this shit for you. When you reach your 20s, ask starting yourself the deeper questions. What do I want? How do I want to spend the rest of my life? What makes me happy? These questions are extremely simple, but when you think about it, they're one of the toughest ones you can ever answer. Most people actually never think about these questions before they reach complete adulthood. School gave you structure, parents gave you direction, but in your 20s, you are the one making the decisions. In psychology, we call this identity crisis. It's not called being lost. It's actually called creating an identity over a period of time. Now, the truth no one tells you about. After researching about multiple successful people, I found out some key things. First, they're always experimenting with things. Second, they never knew where their life was going when they were in their 20s. Third, they were not afraid to fail. The difference between people who succeed and people who don't succeed is that people who succeed move, and people who don't, they stay stuck in one place. Even when you're unsure, even when you're reluctant, just move. Do something. Do not stay stuck in one place. And most importantly, learn from your mistakes. As and when you do all these things, it will give you clarity and you will get a better understanding of what you want to do in life. So right now, if you are in your 20s, which I am too, and you're confused, you're scared, you're afraid, trust me, you share the same feelings as me. So, if you're in your 20s and you feel lost, I get it, bro. But understand something. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're just in the process of discovering yourself. And don't worry, almost everyone goes through this process and people find a way out. and the successful ones are who keep on moving forward. So, this was my second video on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like, share, and subscribe. I know these videos are really low quality and I stutter, but I'll try to be better, man. Thanks.